My name is Ross Radel. I'm the CEO of Phoenix. We manufacture the world's strongest neutron generators and deliver them to all sorts of different applications. We're using this fusion-based neutron source for lots of different applications. One of our newest innovations is in using neutrons explicitly for imaging. So sort of like with X-rays, you want to take an image of a soda can with an X-ray, you see the can. You want to take an image of that same can with neutrons, neutrons go right through the metal and they see the liquid on the inside. And so you can use that to see all kinds of interesting things from thermophysical type stuff to quality control programs to industrial and defense sort of QA programs.